Alright, you're welcome back again to our 7 days YouTube automation challenge. This is day 5 of this very challenge, and big congratulations to you because you've been following from the day 1 to this very moment of this particular challenge. Okay, in the last video, which was the day 4, I taught you how you can actually create your video, how you can check whether your video is in compliance with YouTube policy, and I promise you that I'm going to be showing you how you can actually monetize your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, go ahead and create a YouTube channel for yourself, and also let me know your niche in the comment section. If I see your niche, I can actually recommend more monetization strategies you can actually integrate on your own YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the 5 of this very challenge. I'm going to be showing you the monetization you can actually integrate on your YouTube channel right now that are working perfectly in 2026 and beyond. All right, we're going to be doing only 3 simple steps. Then step 1, I'm going to be showing you these affiliate strategies that you can actually use to monetize your YouTube channel. I'm going to be revealing the affiliate platforms where you can actually use to monetize your YouTube channel. Okay, and the step 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get brand deals for your YouTube channel. And the third step, I'm going to be revealing all the YouTube monetization that are on your channel that most of you don't know about. Okay, I'm going to be revealing all of them right here in this very video, and if I were you, I will not skip any part of this very video, because if you do that, you're going to miss a whole lot in this very video, right? So we have more 2 days to go with this very challenge, so I'm going to be opening your eyes to most of the things you have to know about YouTube, so that you can position your channel for success and not get demonetized or deleted on YouTube. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. The first step, which is the affiliate marketing stack. Okay, as you already know, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products with the sole aim of getting commission after making sales from that particular product. Okay, how does it work? You can actually own a website blog where you publish content. You can own a YouTube channel where you publish content, and the type of content you publish determine the type of affiliate marketing programs you should go for. Right? Okay, so your audience and my own audience might not be the same, because you might go for fashion while I'm on technique. Okay, so our audience are 2 different set of people, right? For instance, in my own niche, we can actually promote AI tools, we can promote SaaS products, we can actually promote Chrome extensions, affiliate tools, email tools, and lots more. What you have to do is simply go over to your internet, search for that particular video you made and the affiliate program. Okay, for instance, in our day 4, we made a video about OpenClaw AI and how it works and how you can actually use it. Okay, so we made a full review about that. I told you I'm going to be editing it and showing you the final result. This is just a snippet of that particular video.
Most people are using AI agents like glorified search engines when they could be running automated systems that work 24/7 solving problems you didn't even know you had. Today I'm showing you exactly what OpenClaw AI is, how to set it up properly, and 10 advanced use cases that turn this platform into something genuinely powerful for your daily workflow. Subscribe to Padded Vibes channel because we break down AI automation strategies that actually work for real productivity gains every single week. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. Let's get straight into this.
You can see the video looks cool, the AI avatar is there, the voiceover is there, cool background music. So we can actually add affiliate link to that particular video. Search for OpenClaw affiliate program. Okay, so if they have an affiliate program, you can actually create an account there, copy affiliate link and add it in your description, and make sure when you're adding it, you can actually tell your audience that this particular video contains an affiliate link. Okay, purchasing this particular product from our link is just a sign of you supporting our channel. Okay, so you can actually tell your audience there. That's just a disclaimer. Right, let's find out if they have an affiliate program. Okay, I don't really know because we didn't make that video with the sole aim of promoting the affiliate program. OpenClaw AI affiliates, we just search for affiliate program. You can see we have affiliate program here, so let's check it out and see if it's actually available. Right, so we searched for this. You can see right here they don't have an affiliate program. Now, seeing that they don't have an affiliate program doesn't mean you should go ahead and delete the video. No, it doesn't work that way, okay, because it's going to be monetized with YouTube as well. Okay, so affiliate marketing is just an extra way of actually building a business around your YouTube. Okay, so if it doesn't have that, you can actually make another video about another tool which has an affiliate program. Okay, so remember, I'm going to be showing you where you can actually get some affiliate programs and all of that to promote. Okay, instead of you researching a lot of that. Okay, so for instance, if you search for another stuff, let's say you want to search for Shopify. Okay, you want to make video about how Shopify works, okay, for beginners. All right, so you have to simply search for Shopify affiliates program. So what do? All you need to do is simply come over to this video section and register as an affiliate. Okay, so how about if you don't want to research it like this, create an account in every platform. If you want to see all of this platform in a particular single website, then it is very much possible. Okay, so the first website you can actually use is Amazon Associate. Okay, this is an affiliate program from Amazon. All you need to do is simply come over to Amazon right here, and you have to simply search for any product you want to make. Okay, for instance, any product you want to promote, then you make a video about that. For instance, if you go to YouTube right now and you search for tech reviews or mobile phone review, anyone tech review, People make videos about this stuff without even showing their face, okay? So if you're starting up as an affiliate, then you come over to this section, pick any product, copy your affiliate link, go to your dips link right here and paste it, grab your affiliate link, then make a video about that particular tech product, okay? So the next platform you can actually use to promote different product in a particular website is Awin. All right, just come over to Awin right here. You have to simply create an account as an affiliate, find program, or you join program. All right, so if you click on this join program, you're going to see we have the join program section. It's going to simply lead you to a lot of brands you can actually work with, okay? All you need to do is simply join these various platforms, the ones that are related to your own niche, okay? If you're in fashion niche, you have to go to the category section and search for fashion, okay? The next platform you can actually use is Digital24. Make sure you pick your category here. Your category is simply your niche, okay? And also select your language, English, and also pick some product. Click on this promote now, and then promote the products that are available here. Most of the commissions I get in all of these platforms, most of them come from my blogs, and some of them come from my automated YouTube channel, okay? So if you have a blog, it's going to simply be easier for you to scale up, all right? So the next strategy is to actually position your channel for brand deals, okay? So as you already know, most of you that are starting up YouTube, you might not know about this one. There's a particular stage your channel will get to, and you're gonna start seeing some people DMing you or writing you on WhatsApp, on your email, telling you they want you to promote their product on your YouTube channel, okay? Probably they've already seen your YouTube videos, they've already seen your channel, and they're gonna simply ask you your rate, how much you charge for that, or they can actually give you their own budget, okay? So that's basically how this thing works. If you want to actually look out for good reputable brand deals you can actually work with, even without them coming to you, you can actually go ahead and visit this particular website. You can visit this website. This is collabstar.com, all right? So this platform is where you can actually get paid to work with brand, okay? If you have a YouTube channel, if you have TikTok, if you have Instagram, if you have Facebook, and they have over 330,000 brands available right here. So the next platform you can actually use is this very one right here, which is hashtag paid. All right, so this is hashtagpaid.com. This is a platform where you can actually get brand deals as well. Creators and brand meet on this very platform. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up on this very platform. There are other platforms out there where you can actually use to get this done. We have paid, we have letter database, we have influence database. So that's basically how you can actually monetize your YouTube channel with both affiliate and also brand deals, okay? So we've already published this video, and I'm also going to be showing you where you can actually monetize this video. I'm going to go to the YouTube studio right now. This is the video right here. This is the video, so I'm going to simply play the video. You can see
most people are using AI agents like glorified search engines.
Okay, you can see this is the video, and the video is still unlisted. I've not made it public, okay? So if you come back here, if you click on this button here, I'm just showing you the YouTube monetization that are available right now, and you click on this edit button. So this edit section is where you can actually see all the things you can actually add on your YouTube, okay? For instance, we have tag products. You can see this is already affiliate marketing on YouTube, all right? So if you come over to this section and click on that, you can actually tag any product. For instance, as I'm making video about AI agent, I can actually add AI agent here. If I search for AI agent, then I'm going to simply see a lot of stuff, and the commission they can actually give me, okay, when I get people to buy. I can click on it, okay, then click on this, then you click on the done button. You can see why we've already added 4 different products under this. We've not really added title and subtitle and thumbnail, okay? So I'm just showing you the monetization and all of that, okay? So for this monetization right here, if you click on this, you're gonna see we have monetization going on. And if this was a paid promotion like a brand deal, I can actually click on this very section and tell them yes, that is a brand deal. But because it's not a brand deal, I'm just letting them know, okay? Then go back here, click on the save button, and this will be saved for me, okay? Then the main monetization, I'm going to simply see that on YouTube, okay? So for me to see that, I'm going to go to the YouTube browser, go to YouTube studio, okay? Either from the mobile or from the browser, anyone, you are good, all right? Okay, so you can see that particular video here. So I'm going to simply click on that video to monetize. Click on this button, this $sign, just click on it. Okay, so you have to turn on this monetization, then click on then click on this none, then submit it and then save it, okay? So the monetization is set for YouTube, okay? And another thing you have to be mindful of this, if you don't set the places you want advertisement to show, YouTube might not show advertisement there. YouTube might show only one ad, maybe it could be at the end part of your video. Okay, so just have to make sure you add your ad. Just select where you want the ads to show. I want it to show at the beginning, maybe after 15 minutes, or I'll add another one here, then another one here. Okay, so let's say 4 different ad or 5. Okay, it's okay. Then click on the save button, and this video is already monetized. Okay, you can see this one is monetized. You can see it. So if you refresh this free section now, if you refresh it, you're going to see that the first one is already monetized. You can see it's already monetized. It's showing monetization, which is this green button right here. Okay, so that's basically how you can monetize your YouTube channel. Guys, if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, you cannot actually get monetized, but you can utilize the affiliate programs, the brand deals. That's basically how you can actually monetize your YouTube channel and build business around your channel. Okay, and this doesn't happen in a day. It takes consistency, unless your YouTube channel is an already monetized one. Okay, so in the day 6 of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually scale on your YouTube channel, create a community for yourself, how you can build and grow your WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, get more subscribers to your WhatsApp, get more subscribers to your Telegram, and also use your blog website to grow your YouTube business. Okay, so see you in that very video.